Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So in previous lecture, we have seen construction and working of a centrifugal pump. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you written information that construction working in your language or not yet? How many of you have written? Please raise your hand. Okay. Okay. 2 students are there. 3, 4. 5. 5 students are there out of or 6 now 6 are students are there out of 63 students. So you can imagine how you are serious about your education, about your career. Okay. So who will tell me now? First, Guru. Hello, Guru. Shavara Siddha Guru. Yep, 33.
Yes, sir.
Please read what you have written.
Sir, just 2 minutes.
Okay. So other students, you are only listening, and if you are only listening here, you will not get that much of percentage, whatever knowledge is there. You many times what happen, we think that that is not important, we will see later on. When there is need, we will see that later on. But it is not like that. You should do work on daily basis. It is very important.
Hello, sir.
Increments.
Please wait for 1 minute, Guru.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Guru.
येस सर. सर
हा.
तुम्ही नोट्स दिलेल्या मधलंच लिहिलंय सर मी.
तेच लिहिले काय? मग नको.
हो सर.
मग नको. उत्कर्षा.
नोट्स मध्ये सर.
नोट्स मधलंच लिहिलंय का? ओके. समवन. सुप्रिया.
हे सर.
तुम्ही नोट्स मधलं लिहिलंय का तुमच्या मनाने लिहिले तुम्हाला जे समजलं ते? यस,
नोट्स मध्ये सर.
नोट्स मधलंच लिहिलंय सगळ्यांनी. ओके, then it is not required. I want that if you are writing on your own what you have understood, you have to write within suppose 10 line, 15 lines. Okay, so do that. If you are doing in that manner, it will be beneficial for you. Okay, notes are given for you, it is not necessary to write again. If you are writing, then it is okay, but if you are writing in your own again, then it is again good. You can refer notes. Okay, we will proceed to the next. So these are the components of centrifugal pump, that is impeller, casing. So types of casing, there are 3 types of the casing. Volute casing, please put down your hands. Volute casing, vortex casing, and diffuser casing. Then suction pipe components. So there are suction pipe, strainer, and non-return valve that we have explained already at the time of. Now application of a centrifugal pump. So these are the application of centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pumps are widely used. Okay, because these pumps are used for large discharges of water. We get continuous and large discharge through the centrifugal pump. They are widely used for all purposes due to compact size for coolant and circulations. Okay, as the size of centrifugal pump is very compact, it means a small size, and there is very what we can say negligible vibrations as compared to the reciprocating pump. In a reciprocating pump, due to to and fro motion of that piston, the vibrations are more, and in centrifugal pump there is negligible vibration. They can produce high pressure head by multi-stage construction. Multi-stage construction, it means if 2 pumps are arranged in series, it means the delivery of first pump gives to suction of other pump, then we get maximum pressure. Okay, it produces high pressure. Okay, these are the applications. Okay, next. So these are the 2 pumps in our syllabus. First one is the reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump, first device is the single acting reciprocating pump, and another one is the double acting reciprocating pump. Then another pump is the centrifugal pump. Now next one is the compressor. What is the function of compressor? So the compressor is the machine or device which is used to compress the atmospheric air. To compress the atmospheric air, it means there are so many applications of compressed air in the CNC machines. To clean the machines, we need that compressed air. To fit and loose the nut in industry, then to fill the compressed air in our vehicles tire. Okay, so these are various applications of the compressed air. So now what is the compressor? A compressor is a device which is used to increase the pressure of a fluid. Fluid, you can consider here, fluid means air. It may be gases also. Okay, all gases and air, it is related to fluid. Okay, In liquid, fluid is divided into two parts mainly. First one is the liquid and another one is the gases or air. So for liquid, we consider water as a standard liquid, and in gases, we consider air as a standard gas. Okay. Or a compressor is a machine which compresses the air or any other gas to a pressure above atmospheric pressure by using mechanical work. So the compressor is an air pump or reverse of heat engine. So we consider only that a compressor is a machine which compresses the air, okay, from the atmospheric air. So what is the atmospheric air? How much is the atmospheric pressure?
1.
Okay, 1.03 bar. Am I correct? Okay, so consider atmospheric pressure. Now application of compressor for producing air blast in the blast furnace. So have you seen furnaces?
No, sir.
Actually, it is a furnace is the furnace is in industry in molding. Molding, have you seen molding? I think it is also you do not have seen. Okay, so consider only for producing air blast in the blast furnace, then to drive air engines, to produce air blast in workshops, for spray painting. जेवढे तुम्हाला माहित आहेत तेवढे तरी तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. For spray painting, have you seen that painting?
Yes, sir.
With machines?
Yes, sir.
So for that,
Yes, sir.
for that compressed air is required. For cooling system of large building, you have not seen that. For pumping of water, again you have not seen. These are rare use. Okay, for spray fuel oil in the cylinder of large diesel engine, it is also you do not have seen. In spray gun to kill insect, in spray gun to kill insects, to transport material like cements, food grains. Transport material, it means if suppose you want to clean, if suppose you want to transfer, so we can use that air. Okay, for driving air motor in the mine, in mines also we have to use that compressed air. Okay, so these are the applications. Now in compressor, again there are different types: positive displacement type and non-positive displacement type. Okay, so in positive, single reciprocating, in reciprocating, single stage, multi-stage. Okay, in single stage, again single acting, single stage and multi-stage. This is very important. Double acting is not necessary here, because in application single acting compressors are there. So single stage and multi-stage, these two types are there. Then in rotary type we have vane blower in our syllabus. Okay, others that centrifugal, axial flow, these are the different types, but these are not in our syllabus. Okay, get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will erase that. Have you seen that reciprocating compressor? Most of you have seen that. Okay, so as per the pressure, there is classification how much pressure we need. On that basis, this classification is there. Low pressure up to 1.1 bar, medium pressure up to 1.1 bar to 7 bar, high pressure above 7 bar. So these are the limitations of that compressors. How much compressed air or how much pressure we required. With that we can use different compressors. Positive displacement compressor. Now this one is very important. Positive displacement compressor are those compressor in which piston and cylinder arrangement is made. Okay, so I will draw one diagram. like that you have seen. This is cylinder and piston arrangement here. Some pins are here. Okay, one tank is connected here. Okay, one motor is here. Okay, one tap is provided here to see how much pressure inside the cylinder. Okay, here is one pipe and one strainer or filter, air filter is provided here. Have you seen that such type of arrangement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, सर्वांनी ही अरेंजमेंट बघितलेली आहे. So this one is the motor and here we have piston and cylinder arrangement. To rotate this shaft, power of motor, generally power of motor is used with the belt drive. Okay, when we start this motor, this shaft start rotating, and when this mechanical power here transfer to that piston. Okay, so piston start moving into the forward and backward direction, or in, we can say, up and down motion. Okay, two walls are here, inlet wall, outlet wall. When piston moves in the downward direction, atmospheric pressure sucks into that cylinder chamber, and when it compresses, it means when piston move from bottom dead center towards upper dead center at that time, or top dead center, this pressurized water moves from this wall. Okay, we have to draw here, and this pipe is we will insert here. Okay, here is one opening. Okay, so this pressurized air is stored in that tank. Okay, so this shows how much air within that tank, or the pressure, not how much air, how much pressure of air is shown by that Bourdon gauge. The gauge meter is here called as the Bourdon gauge. This Bourdon gauge have arrangement like one fallopian tube. Fallopian tube म्हणजे एक अशा प्रकारची ट्यूब आहे त्या गेज मध्ये, जी आतमध्ये असते, आपल्याला वरून दिसत नाही. अशी एक ट्यूब आहे ज्याच्या भोवती हे गिअर बसवलेले आहेत इथं, आणि ह्याच्यावरती इथं हा कर्सर दिलेला आहे, किंवा ॲरो म्हणतो आपण, नॉट कर्सर, ॲरो दिलेला आहे. वेन प्रेशर, ऐकू येतं ना सगळ्यांना मी काय बोलतोय ते?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when air enters in that tube, this tube, it applies pressure on that surrounding tubes. So this tube tries to become straight. So when it tries to become straight, this pulls towards this direction. So due to a gear arrangement, this will move towards upper direction or the lower direction. Okay, this is not part of our syllabus, but I have explained here. So this is with that Bourdon pressure gauge, we can measure the pressure, and that pressure gauge is calibrated with the standard pressure gauge. There are three types of the pressure gauges, or any measurement instruments. There are three types. standard, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, so after working in industry also, if we are using some vernier caliper or some measurement instruments, within particular period of time, we have to calibrate with the primary standard measurement instrument. Okay, because when we are going to use such measurements equipments, there may be some gap in actual readings. ओके, प्रत्येक वेळी सारखं सारखं यूज केल्यामुळे त्याच्यामध्ये थोडासा क्ले काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, त्याच्यामध्ये थोडासा गॅप यायला चालू होतो, म्हणजे ऍक्च्युअल रीडिंग देत नाही, ते थोडंसं इकडं तिकडं होतं. मग पर्टिक्युलर टाइम नंतर ते त्याच्याबरोबर काय करावं लागतं, कॅलिब्रेट करावं लागतं. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस आय विल शो यू वन व्हिडिओ ऑफ दॅट कॉम्प्रेसर. So it is easy for me or you also to understood. Okay, so this one is the diagram of a reciprocating compressor. So this one is the reciprocating compressor. All other arrangement is for the storage purpose. Where air get compressed, so here have you seen that एक टँक असतो, टँकच्या वरती एक असं अरेंजमेंट आहे बघा, त्याला फिन्स बाहेर आलेले असतात, बघितले?
Yes, sir.
त्याच्यावरती मोटर आहे, जशी मी आता अरेंजमेंट सांगितली होती. So here this one is the reciprocating compressor. I will tell you construction. For working we will see video. So here, so if you see here, this one is the piston, this one is the piston which is connected to the shaft or crank, because of that rotation piston will move. Because of this, piston will move in reciprocating motion. Here this one is the bottom dead center, and this one is the top dead center, similar that of reciprocating pump. Bottom dead center and the top dead center. This is the stroke area of that piston. Stroke area, it means when piston move from bottom dead center towards the top dead center, so it will consider as a one stroke. Okay, and when piston move from top dead center towards the bottom dead center, then we consider it as another stroke. Then this piston is fitted into this cylinder. Okay, this one is the cylinder. To that cylinder, on the top, two openings are there. This one is, and another one is here. This one is first opening and this one is the second opening. So these two openings are covered with the valve, with the pressure valve, we can say. So towards first one, this one is the, okay, we consider this as this one is the suction valve. So this one is the one and this one is second. So this first one is the suction valve, which open when piston start moving into the downward direction, and it will close when piston start moving from bottom dead center towards the top dead center. Understood? इथपर्यंत समजलं सगळ्यांना? Is anyone having any doubt? Okay. Another port is there here. In that port, one more valve is fitted. This valve is called delivery valve. Okay, this valve opens when piston moving from bottom dead center towards the top dead center, and it will close when piston start moving from top dead center towards the bottom dead center. Okay, and two ports are there. So first one is the suction side port and another one is the delivery side port. To all that structure, covering is provided for cooling purpose. Cooling may be done by air or liquid. Okay, कूलिंग दोन प्रकारे करता येतं, एअर ने सुद्धा करता येतं आणि लिक्विड ने सुद्धा करता येतं. सो व्हॉट एव्हर हिअर provided cooling is, if you see the structure, so this one is the, what we can say, water cooled. This one is the water cooled. If fins will provide, fins म्हणजे अशा बाहेर आल्या, तुम्ही आपली मोटरसायकल जर बघितली तर जिथं इंजिन आहे त्या इंजिनच्या बाजूला अशा बाहेर आलेल्या प्लेट्स असतात, अशा छोट्या छोट्या मध्ये गॅप आहे. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means if such arrangement, such structures are there with that engine, then these engines are air cooled engine. These engines are air cooled engine. And if you see engine of a four-wheeler, if you observe carefully, or if you observe there, you will not see such a fins on that engine.
Yes.
So what is the arrangement there? So four-wheeler engines are cooled by water or coolant. So the coolant is filled into the radiator. Have you seen radiator?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
radiator, some fins are there. Okay, so this reciprocating compressor also, when there is a compression, what will happen? The heat will produce. To remove that heat, we have to use that cooling jackets. Okay, but mostly in most applications at what you can say, puncture station, that reciprocating compressors are provided with the air cooling system. Okay, get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will see video for the working. Wait for 1 second. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the reciprocating compressor which is in front of you. So I will start here. It will show working of a reciprocating compressor. See here, this one is the reciprocating compressor. This one is the piston and cylinder. Piston will move in reciprocating motion. So this one is the wrist pin. So in a reciprocating pump, we call this pin as a piston pin. Here we call it as a wrist pin, and in IC engine we call it as gudgeon pin. So this piston is connected with the connecting rod. So such type of arrangement is there It may be V type, it may be in series. So two walls are provided, suction wall and the discharge wall. On the cylinder, when piston move in the downward direction, suction wall get open, and when it moves in the upward direction, that delivery wall get open. On the suction side, pressure will be low, and on the discharge side, pressure will be high. So ports are provided towards the suction side. When pistons start moving from the top dead center towards the bottom dead center, the pressure into the atmospheric gets sucked due to the vacuum created into the cylinder. Pressure reduced, it means negative pressure. Due to that negative pressure, what that air gets sucked into the cylinder, and in another stroke, when piston start moving from bottom dead center towards the top dead center, the air get pressurized, pressure get increased, and at that time discharge wall get open, and this pressurized air will store into the storage tank. So this one is again simple process and same as that of reciprocating pump. So this cycle goes on continue. Understood? Working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is anybody having any doubt, please? Yes? कोणाला काही शंका आहे का?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So please draw this diagram for reciprocating compressor. And try to write in your own language. I have given notes. You can refer this. So when you complete, please give message into the chat box. If you are completed, give message as completed. सर्वांना समजतंय ना शिकवलेलं? कोणाला समजत नसेल तर काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारत चला. If you are not saying anything, if you do not have any doubt, then what I have to consider? I have to consider whether you are understood all these things. And what is the second case? You do not have any need to understood. So these are simple devices which you have to learn. See, you are learning online from last 2 years. Am I correct? Last 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So be careful. Many times we think that this is a very nice opportunity, but online there are some drawbacks also of online. If you want any study material, you will get from the Google very interesting and very nice knowledge provided on the Google. So, but you have to refer it. Many times students are ignoring all these lectures, all this data, because they know second year will fetch them, or next year will fetch them in the next day, what we can say, next class. But you take care that your career should be qualitative. You should have some quality. You have some skills, and for that you have to work. Because nobody are there to instruct you in online mode. Completed?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the principle of operation that I have explained. V1 wall, V2 wall, when it gets opened. When suction wall will get open, can anyone please tell me? When suction wall will open? Suction wall, from which atmospheric air enters into the cylinder. So when it will get open?
When piston moves top dead center
V2
to
close
move-
झाल्यावर.
Correct. V2 close झाल्यावर V1 नाही. When piston moves from top dead center towards the bottom dead center, at that time that suction wall get open, and at that time delivery wall is closed. Okay, V1 V2 it is the name given for our convenience, but mainly these are the suction wall and the delivery. Okay, so this all is working here. The mechanical work is converted into heat in compressor, but this heat is not utilized because the hot compressed air is cooled before it use. Okay, so there are two compressors in multi-stage. If there are two multi-stage compressor, how much time we have?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I will show you one diagram. If suppose such type of arrangement is there, I think you have seen that arrangement also. And one more, we can say V type. Have you seen such type of compressor?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
2 pistons are there and 2 cylinders are there. Here atmospheric air enters through the suction pipe or suction port, and when it compressed into the first cylinder, it gives to the second one. Here also fins provided for air cooling system. Most of that compressors are air cooled. सगळे जे compressors आपण बघतो सध्या ते सगळे एअर कूल्ड आहेत. ओके, जे लो प्रेशर साठी लागतात म्हणजे आपल्याकडे आहे ते एवढ्या हाय प्रेशरची गरज पडत नाही आपल्याला. जे इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये खूप मोठे मोठे असतात तिथे जिथे हाय प्रेशरची गरज पडते तिथे आपण वॉटर कूल्ड किंवा कूलंट त्या ठिकाणी आपण यूज करतो. ओके, so fins are provided on this side also, and pressurized air here will move towards the suction side of the another compressor. So this one is called as a multi-stage compressor. What we can call it as?
Multi-stage compressor.
Multi-stage compressor. Okay, so this is the multi-stage compressor. If 2 compressors are connected, if 2 compressors are used to compress the air, then we can call it as multi-stage compressor. If only single compressor used, then we can call it as single stage compressor. Okay, so you have to if in exam you have to draw this diagram. Okay, you have to draw this diagram and you have to write construction and working. So this is the single acting reciprocating pump and the double acting reciprocating. Single acting reciprocating pump, it means it will give discharge at towards in one stroke also, in one stroke only, and in double acting we get discharge for both the strokes. Okay, so we will see this in the next lecture. We will stop here. So today you do one thing, you read that whatever notes are provided for that reciprocating compressor and try to write in your own language. Okay.
सर,
Yes.
कालचं लेक्चर टीचिंग डायरी मध्ये दिसत नाही.
केले की कालचं अपलोड मी?
कालचं
नाही का दिसत?
नाही, ते युट्यूबला येत नाही, प्रायव्हेट व्हिडिओ म्हणून येतंय तिथे.
नाही, मी पब्लिक केलेला आहे. बरं ठीक आहे, मी बघतो. सेंट्रीफ्युगल पंप हा का? काल सेंट्रीफ्युगल पंपच घेतला ना आपण?
हो सर.
हो सर.
त्याच्या अगोदरचे दिसत आहेत का?
हो सर.
ठीक आहे, बघतो मी, नाहीतर परत दुसरी लिंक टाकतो, परत एकदा हे करू, अपलोड करतो.
सर.
Okay, please put your roll numbers into the chat box. झाले सर्वांचे लिहून?
Yes.
Okay. Today we will stop here. Thank you all of you.